Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to view your lab results using the healow app. So first, open the healow app and sign in to your account. Then make sure you're using the account connected to your healthcare provider. From the main screen, look for an option such as My Records, Health Records, or Results depending on your provider's setup. Then select the section that contains your medical results. And if your provider has published your lab results, you should be able to open the available results and review the information. Some results may include the test name, date, reference ranges, and your reported values. And you need to keep in mind that not every healthcare provider makes every result available through healow. So that was how to find your available lab results in healow. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.